Wahotese etese mehoye Baku. Yo. Working on my tree. Well, anyway, a little skinny boy from Kumasi, the guy named Ashanti boy. Little skinny legs and a little belly. Now 54 years old. It's been about 2 years now. My dad and I have been deeply connected. My Ashanti father, and with a holiday, I got to install a newer unit for him, AC unit for him, and yeah, kind of made him smile. It's like your parents take care of you, take care of them, and yeah, it was a pretty good weekend. Got to speak with more elders in the family, some brothers, and really just chat with my dad, and ask him, hey pops, papa, like. You could have stayed home. You could have stayed back home and came here. You struggled a lot, I was like, oh, why? It was 5 boys, like, just wanted to see my boys do well. So yeah, it was a little humbling listening to that. And, he went through some stuff, divorce and all of that, but stuff I'd rather not get into. But, his humility is unmatched, man. Apparently I got a lot to learn because I'm an eye for an eye kind of guy. You poke me in my eye, I poke you in your eye. And, yeah, he's telling me, hey, I got a little bit to learn. You've been here too long, and I'm like, but you're Ghanaian, you don't never forget. So, but yeah. So one day we're gonna have the opportunity to go see where my great grandfather, great grandfather, all grew up, where he grew up, and as the eldest son, as you say, I'm taking my prince back home. And I'm just humbled, man, humbled. Like my family's so big, and they're just so tight knit, and it's been a blessing, man. It's really been a blessing for me, and the fact that he stayed healthy this long after all those years lost. But yeah, so the fourth was great. Had a great time, at the end of the day, it's what you leave behind when you're gone, and in 50 years, like I'm sure I may not be here, and no one cares about what you did or how you did things. It's a matter of what you leave behind, what are people going to remember you as? And I'm doing my part, man. It's Dad's teaching me a lot, you can never stop learning. But from one Ghanaian Ashanti man to another, I'm happy that yeah, he's in my life now and teaching me, and getting deeper into things, and explaining to me, what it means to be an Ashanti man. So, but yeah, I just wanted to pop in here, say what's up. Hope everyone had a good July 4th. And yeah, stay young. So I try my best every day.